my job today is to dig a hole there and put in the nectarine tree that is over there because it's too big. So we're going to put it in there. Yeah, or I might have fallen in the hole.
Oh, well, we can grow you and have little ones. Right, thanks.
Just like any other pot, it gets hot down. It's a big pot. So you've got to break it up and put in that hole. Yeah, nice and loose, like a sponge ball. Pick a little soil up. Just allow the roots to break through easily. weight. Now I can bury it. And don't forget, whenever you're planting anything, you've got to compact it in. Otherwise it'll just fall over or go crooked. So, there. Now, compact it and put the loose stuff back on. There. There. Good. Pass off. And good idea, make a little moat around it so that when the water comes down it gets trapped in this moat and lasts longer. It won't drain away. Just a circle basically. Like that. Where that being. And of course, water. Maybe you're planting anything, you transplant, water good, and in the moat. Right on the actual tree, in the moat. Fill the moat up. Once the moat's filled up, then we are now. I don't know if you can see the moat, so I'll just, oh you probably can, but anyway, that's how I've done it. Made a moat, filled it with water. Already the water's soaking in. Once that water soaks in, we know it's gone down to the sides, give it a good feed. Beautiful, that's in. Now I'll just rebuild this fence. Okay, so there we go, we've transplanted a nectarine tree. And as you can see, the water's soaked down out of that moat now. It's gone down the sides so the roots can absorb it. And it looks like, I reckon there'll be fruit on it this year. There it is, rebuilt.